Galaxy Z Flip 7, a bold move or a risky downgrade? Here's everything you need to know. Big changes are on the horizon for Samsung's foldable lineup, but not all of them may be for the better. The Galaxy Z Flip 7, slated for release next year, promises major updates. But one rumored shift might actually feel like a step backward for fans. Stick with us as we break down what could be the most controversial decision in Samsung's foldable history and what it means for you. For years, Samsung's foldable phones, including the Galaxy Z Flip series, have been powered by Qualcomm's reliable Snapdragon processors. Naturally, fans expected the Galaxy Z Flip 7 to come with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite, especially after Samsung committed to Snapdragon-only chips for the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. But now, shocking reports suggest a major shift. Samsung may equip the Z Flip 7 with its in-house Exynos 2500 processor instead. Why is this such a big deal? Let's unpack it. Exynos 2500, from the S25 to the Flip. The Exynos 25500 was originally designed for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra would get the Snapdragon 8 Elite. However, Samsung's early production struggles with its 3-nanometer manufacturing process reportedly derailed those plans. The company had no choice but to go all in on Snapdragon processors for the entire S25 lineup. Now, with Samsung claiming improved production yields and stable 3-nanometer chip manufacturing, the Exynos 2500 is ready for mass production, but not in time for the S25 series. Instead, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is poised to become the first device to feature this new chipset. Shared chipsets with a budget foldable? Here's where things get even more surprising. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip FE, a budget-friendly version of Samsung's clamshell foldable, will also feature the Exynos 2500. Think about that for a moment. If the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the cheaper Z Flip FE share the same flagship processor, Samsung will likely have to differentiate the two devices in other ways, such as by cutting costs on the Z Flip FE's display, camera, battery, or memory. But the bigger question is, will this move make the Z Flip 7 itself feel less premium? The Snapdragon advantage. This decision comes with risks, especially when compared to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. By the time the Galaxy Z Flip 7 launches in the second half of 2024, the Snapdragon 8 Elite will already have established itself as the gold standard for flagship performance. It's expected to power not only the Galaxy S25 series, but also other top-tier Android devices. Here's the potential problem. If the Exynos 2500 fails to measure up to the Snapdragon 8 Elite in terms of performance, thermal efficiency, and battery life, it could feel like a massive downgrade for customers. Samsung's Exynos chips have historically struggled in these areas, and fans won't hesitate to voice their disappointment if these issues persist. Why this move could backfire. Switching to the Exynos 2500 might allow Samsung to cut costs, but it's a risky gamble in the foldable space, where customers expect top-tier performance. Foldables are premium devices with a hefty price tag, and buyers won't take kindly to compromises that feel like cost-cutting rather than innovation. Worse, if the Galaxy Z Flip FE delivers comparable performance at a lower price, it could cannibalize sales of the Z Flip 7 entirely. Why spend more when the budget model offers a similar experience? What does this mean for you? For fans of Samsung's foldables, this shift raises a lot of questions. Will the Exynos 2500 deliver Snapdragon-level performance? Will Samsung's decision to use Exynos tarnish the Z Flip 7's reputation? How will the Z Flip 7 stack up against competitors in 2024? The foldable future, a gamble worth taking. Samsung is no stranger to bold decisions, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7's rumored processor change could signal a new direction for its foldables. But is this a calculated risk or a costly mistake? With the Snapdragon 8 Elite setting the bar high, Samsung will need to prove that the Exynos 2500 is not just good enough, but exceptional. Otherwise, the Z Flip 7 risks becoming a foldable that folds under customer expectations. So what's your take on Samsung's strategy? Is this a smart move or a recipe for disaster? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest tech news, leaks, and deep dives, only here on Giga Guide.